Hey guys, remember me? Well, I'm Bethany, and so today I will be doing a video. I'm so excited. I'm unboxing the iWatch. Just so you know, I know I have the iPhone 6s and stuff. I am not spoiled. I saved up money for my iWatch, and I was like, I don't know what to buy, and my mom's like, get anything you want. So I got my Apple Watch. This was the cheapest one, the Series 1, I think, with like 30 kilometers. I don't know. It's really big, kind of big. But this was the cheapest one. The other ones are like $259, and I have $209. And so my mom was just like, okay, well, I'll pay half. So I paid 100, she paid 100. So yeah, we're even. So this is how it looks. Here's the box. So it's a black strand, and if it's not storming tomorrow like it was today, we're gonna go to Best Buy and get a band. But this is how it looks. Bottom. And I did get to pre-fix it first, so like it still is set up and stuff. And sorry about my shirt, it's really wrinkly. No, I was chilling. I had a chill day. So we're gonna pull it out. Okay. So we're gonna put this aside. We're not gonna look at that yet. So let's look at what's in here. So we're gonna open it up, and it teaches us how to put it on. But look guys, it comes with another black thing. Make sure not to throw this piece away, because it has this in case something breaks. So yeah, and sorry about everything, like my hair and everything. I just thought to make this video. So yeah, there it is. And I got this from Target. So if you're thinking of getting cheap things, you should go right now. It's April 14th, 2018. You should really go, not today, but like soon, and get it, because that is like their sale right now. So here's the inside of the box, and here it is. And I'm gonna look at it. Look first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so pretty. And I didn't look at it yet at the store. They had set it up. I was telling them what I wanted. So of course, here is how big the screen is. And then they set it up. So I'm gonna put it on my wrist and see what'll happen. I think it doesn't like count your feet and activity. So yeah. So I'm using my phone to record, so that's why it's gonna work. So here it is. That's how it looks on my wrist, and it looks really cool and pretty, and I'm so happy. So I am going to what we do. So here it is, and here's how it looks. It's mini, and then when you hit that little crown, it'll go right into all your apps, and if you roll it, it'll zoom out, and if you do that, it'll zoom in. So let's go on my favorite app, Messages. I'm probably gonna blur this out, but yeah, so let's say I wanted to text someone. I want to text my Aunt Sheila. I like to use the Scribble, and basically what you do is say, like, you write it, and it's really cool. Hey Sheila. I am texting you on a new Apple Watch. So I like using this because it's like fun and you can show your creativity. So yeah, so I'm gonna press done and then I could read my message. Hey Shalai, I'm 16 on a new Apple Watch. I can press send and there it is. It is sent. And so now what I could do is scroll down and get an emoji. And I could pick any emoji I want. So I actually like that one. So I'm gonna send her the technology one. So it's really cute, really cool. It's like a mini phone. And then I just hit that right to go back in. So then you could actually get the app and like download all your apps on there. So I just got the Starbucks app on here, and then if you go up or around, you zoom in, and you got the NBA app. So we're gonna zoom in on that because I always like to check in of how Boogie is doing and stuff. So you know, because Boogie is my crush on the basketball team. I love him. So yeah. So I am gonna go check this out some more, and I will be back with y'all. This is one more glance, and then bye.